Fixing a cluttered Gmail inbox takes just 3 clicks by adjusting your display density directly on your computer screen. Let us dive right into your browser. First, open up your Gmail inbox and look at the top right corner of the page. You will see a small gear icon representing your settings. Click on that gear icon to pull up the Quick Settings panel on the right side of your screen. As soon as that menu opens, scroll down just a bit to where it says Density. This is where you can instantly control how spread out your emails appear and how much information you see at a single glance. Now, you have 3 distinct options to select here, and each one comes with a specific trade-off depending on how you like to work. The first option is Default. When you click this button, your inbox gets balanced spacing between emails, along with visible attachment previews right below the subject line. The important thing is that this allows you to open attachments without clicking into the email first. In my case, this saves a lot of time when searching for documents. However, the catch is that those preview boxes take up significant vertical space, which means you will see far fewer emails on your screen without scrolling down. The second option is Comfortable. Clicking this gives you an open layout with generous spacing between each line, creating a much cleaner look for your eyes. Now that goes both ways. You get a sleek, readable layout, but you lose those direct attachment previews completely. Plus, because the padding between messages is wider, you still cannot fit many emails onto a single screen. The third option is Compact. If you choose this one, the layout tightens up dramatically, squeezing the rows closer together. This allows you to fit the maximum number of messages on your screen at once, which is great if you deal with massive daily email volume. But the trade-off here is visual clutter. The text feels much more crowded, icons are smaller, and you lose all attachment previews. Notice that as soon as you select any of these options, the change applies immediately across your entire inbox. There is no need to scroll down or look for a save button because Gmail updates your view in real time. Once you pick the look that fits your workflow best, simply click the X icon at the top right of the Quick Settings panel to close it out and return to your main email view. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.